creative lesson, we will be doing some primary colour sponge painting. So you'll need your primary colours, which are red, blue and yellow. So I've got some paint because I'm at school, but some of you might not have some paint at school, at home. So you can use some food colouring. You also need a blank piece of paper, and then you can draw your own circle on it. And you'll also need a sponge, but I don't have a sponge as of yet, but you can also use a skewer. So I'll be cutting my skewer into 3 pieces for 3 different colours. 2 and 3. And now we're going to be using our 3 different brown colours. So that's blue, red and yellow. And now we'll be using the 3 different skewers and going around a piece of paper, making a big colour wheel. So I'm going to be going around. That's blue. Now we're doing some red. See, it doesn't have to be in a certain order. There's just the idea of just printing those primary colours onto the piece of paper. So I'll be going all the way around with all the different colours. Or instead of going around in a circle, you can just start dotting them around the paper. Saving you a lot of time, because I know it can take you a lot of time to constantly be going around the paper, changing to different colours. As you can you see how colourful it's starting to become? And I'm going to start adding some blue in the middle. And because you're using a sponge, it's going to look really good because of the texture. Now I'm going to rotate to the red. I'm going to do some red. But just be careful, especially with the food colouring, it can be very watery, so it can rip your paper. So if you squeeze your sponge out so it's not very wet, so it doesn't rip your paper, that will save you a lot of time as well. And children, do you think you can tell me what your favourite primary colour is? Is it blue? Is it red? Is it yellow? Mine, I would say, would probably be the yellow. I really like the colour yellow. I'm going to keep going round with all the different colours. And you're going to keep going round, filling up the spaces. Just remember, children, we're not mixing the colours as of yet, but for next week we'll be doing our secondary colours, so then we'll be mixing our colours, and then you can see what colours the primary colours can make if you mix them all together. So if you mix them, the final results will be something like this. But you could go really all the way around, and then once you've done that and let it dry, you can cut your circle with a pair of scissors and it will make a big circle. So I hope you enjoyed this creative lesson, and I hope you enjoy it while you're doing it at home. Hope to see you soon. Bye!